Yeah, it's working. Look at that. You look sick, dude. Look at this guy.
My hair's all fucking goofy, dude.
Introduce yourself, man.
Yeah, Cole. Drift Rollers. Thank you.
Drift Rollers. Instagram,
Yeah.
the myth, the legend.
I need to get my hair cut for sure.
3UZ swap. What up, guys? Freaking Royalmadmen here. We got a new camera for freaking vlogging and doing the YouTube stuff. Also going to be using it to do a bunch of pictures and stuff for Instagram. So I'm like super excited to get this. I think it's going to be fun and motivate me, obviously, to do more videos, which is sick. This is pretty much just going to be a test. So this is going to be probably a super short video. And then I got the stickers. Look at that. So we'll do some freaking shots with the camera. I got my wife's wagon out here, but we got stickers. So for those who don't know, freaking royalmadmen.bigcartel.com. So that's royalmadmen, just like my Instagram, .bigcartel.com. And we got the stickers freaking up, and this is like the first design of many to come. We already got a logo that's going to be coming, which is going to end up, I think, being a banner. We're going to test it on my car and see how the quality and stuff comes out, and it's going to be like a vinyl style. And then right now we have just these things up. I think I got them posted for like $5.99 a piece. It seems fair. They're pretty good sized stickers. I'll show you next to a example right next to a full like Instagram logo on the side of a window. So we'll go look at that in a second. But the quality of the image and the sticker quality itself, these are designed for indoor or outdoor, so you can put them on the outside of your car. And they came out freaking sick. My car's all wet. We'll set these up there, and then we'll go check out the dun, 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 dun. Yeah, there it is. So you can see that's pretty much, it should be about 4 by 3. So it's a pretty good size sticker. You can see I think they came out freaking amazing. I really want to put one on my car, but I mean, I don't know if that seems weird or not, because freaking, I mean, it is this car. I don't know. We'll see what happens. I keep cutting the top of my head off. It's going to take me a little bit of getting used to with this, because the GoPro is such a wider angle lens. So this camera, I have to hold it way out. I can do a video and stuff. I got a couple more things coming of like the equipment and stuff that I'm using. It's pretty simple and basic. Like I said, I'm kind of just getting into this. It's freaking fun though. Autofocus. How do you do the autofocus? There we go. Sick. So sick. Well, I just threw in some freaking little bit of pan shots using the new camera. Obviously, I don't know exactly what they look like yet, but I'll see what they look like in editing. I'll go ahead and throw them in here. Tell me what you guys think. Right now I'm playing with, I'm in a dark corner. Like there's not a lot of light. And at least to me, it looks like I can see my face, which is pretty cool. So, just playing with like the white balance and stuff. You can see it's kind of like whited out there where it's all lighter. I don't know. It's just gonna take a little bit to get used to, but I'm pretty pumped. This definitely motivates me to start making more videos, like especially more consistently. My end goal is to like drop 2 videos every freaking week. And it's a struggle, but we'll get there. So bear with me, guys. I'm super pumped. Weather is starting to get freaking nicer. Car's ready to go. It's, I think, working better than it has before, at least since I built it or since you guys been following me. And huge shout out to Danger _ Dally for the valve covers. I sent him some stickers, so hopefully he'll show me some love and put some post up of the stickers on his car or his toolbox or whatever at TE72 on Instagram. He also got some stickers. Shout out to Cameron for being the first person to purchase something off my online store. Little self plug again, shameful plug, royalmadmen.bigcartel.com. Check it out, guys, and hopefully you guys are excited for me to get a new camera and do some more sliding, do some more do-it-yourself kind of stuff, and follow me along for this silly adventure. Oh, and we still have the MX-83 Cressida too, so we'll talk about that in a video here coming up. Probably not the next couple because I got some stuff planned up for you guys, but we'll see what's up. Later, guys.